guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a fabulous hair product with you that has completely changed my hair care game. I'm of course talking about the new and improved L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Hair Serum. This has been a part of my hair care journey for many months and I've been using this for so long. I've already emptied out a bottle of this stuff and this is the old packaging. It now comes in this new and revamped packaging and of course it's infused with a new extraordinary formula. The new X-Oil serum is even lighter than its previous counterpart. I love that I can happily recommend this hair serum to all of you because this is meant for all hair types across all seasons. My hair is extremely frizzy. I have chemically treated it. I do abuse it a lot. It's incredibly frizzy by nature because it is super curly as well. So whenever I want to style my hair or I want to tame my curly frizzy hair, this is always my one-stop solution for all of my hair concerns. The new X-Oil serum is 16% lighter compared to the previous L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. It provides 24-hour shine and 24-hour softness and I can totally attest to that because I feel my hair is instantly just softer, softer to touch and it feels very nice and healthy. And I also look at it and it looks very shiny and again just bouncy and healthy. This hair serum will also protect your hair against UV, humidity and pollution, and let's be honest, we face that on the daily. The amazing non-sticky formula of the X-Oil hair serum makes your hair 30% stronger. It is infused with 6 precious rare flower oils. There's lotus, tiare, rose, flax, chamomile and sunflower that makes your hair healthier and super manageable. I have also faced a lot of hair fall and dryness in my hair after all of the treatments and all of the hair color and everything that I've done to my hair. It just ended up being super frizzy and just looked dull and lacked luster. But this being my holy grail saves me from all hair woes. While I have used this serum after washing my hair in this video, you can totally use this for any of your hair concerns. I literally use it for everything, such as whenever my hair feels dry or to tame any flyaways when I'm styling my hair and want like a neater, cleaner look. I also always make it a point to use this whenever I'm heat styling my hair because it totally protects against heat. And of course, I've also used this many times as a DIY home spa treatment. I just lather it into my hair before going to bed. The next day I wake up and wash my hair and it's instantly just softer and so much more manageable. You can see the before and after shot of my hair and see the major difference it creates. This is totally a part of my everyday hair care routine. I totally find some use for this product in my everyday hair care routine. So this is totally like on my vanity shelf at all times. The bottle is so nice and luxurious. This is a beautiful pump glass bottle, so it's very easy to dispense the amount of product you want, and it also comes in a really nice small 30 ml bottle that you can take around with you in your handbag. I just like to finger comb this into my hair whenever I'm applying it dry and then go over it with a little comb, and then it gives the most beautiful soft result. And I make sure to apply it all over my strands, just not in the roots. For me, this is a wonder product and I totally recommend it because nothing has worked on my hair like this has. It has totally tamed my frizz concerns. I have used up so many bottles of this stuff already and recommended it to my friends and family and given away so many bottles to my friends and family as well because I know everybody will love it. It is meant for all hair types, so you don't have to wonder whether this will suit your hair or not because it totally will. So try it out, smoothen your frizzy hair and get manageable hair from unruly hair strands. This product is a total bang for its buck. It only costs 500 rupees, which I think is so worth it. And of course, like I mentioned, there's also a 30 ml variant which fits in your bag so perfectly and is incredibly travel friendly. Don't forget to check out the links to purchase this product in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and you found a solution to all of your hair concerns. This is a one-stop product and you're surely gonna love it. Do remember to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'm gonna see you super soon in my next one. Mwah. Bye!